Hi everyone! Are you ready? Because for the first time ever, Buildathon is on. If you are fond of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, or machine learning, then this event is made just for you. If you are a beginner and you still don't know much, then don't worry, because we will hold a 5 days hands-on training powered by IBM Watson. But if you are an expert and you already know the basics, then it's your time to upgrade your skills, and you should show us what you've got, because we will hold also a 10 days mentor-guided project development powered by smart interns. From the 24th of January to the 5th of February will be our registration period. So save the date and don't hesitate to join us.